Hello, hope you are fine. Today I am going to discuss Junior English Book 2, page number 3, and the topic is vowels. You have read already about vowels. After that, in this book, you are getting again. Here it is written, instead of A, always write an before words beginning with A, E, I, O, U. It means if you find a word has started with A, E, I, O, U, you will write an just before it. Okay. These letters are called vowels, means A, E, I, O, U, these are called vowels. So, there are some words are written which have started with vowels. See here, akron, anchor, apple, apron, arch, arm, arrow, axe, easel, ill, egg, envelope, it will be only I, island, O, orange, and orchard. So, what you have found? We have found that we need to add an before the word which will start with vowels. Okay, let's do some exercises, then this topic will be clearer for you. Here, 1 number exercise, it is written, write the names of these things putting an before each. You will find them in the list above. So, it means there are some pictures and you need to add an before it, and what are these? Means these names are written in the list, you can take help from this place. Okay. So, let us start. So, if we start from this place, this is a picture of akron. So, here this is the word akron. So, we can write an akron. Okay. This is apple. So, here we will write an apple. This is a confusing picture, it looks like cactus, but here there is no word like it. You will find another book, or I have searched and I have found there are many books. This picture is like or, it is not like this. So, it will be an or. Okay, I am telling again, there is no cactus and we are actually reading vowels. So, cactus has started with C, with consonant. So, before it we cannot put an. So, below of this, here see egg, here egg, in this place egg. So, we will write an egg. This one, this is anchor. So, we will write an anchor. This one, so easy, here x. So, we will write an x. Just below of it, here it look like island, and here this is island, this place island. So, we will write here an island. Next one, it's look like orchard. So, here this one orchard. So, we will write here an orchard. Okay. Now, I am going to do B number exercise. Here it is written, write a or an before each of these words. So, this is so easy. If we find the word has started with vowel, means A, E, I, O, U, just before it we should put an. But if we find the word has started except these letters, means it has started with consonant, then we will put a. So, let us start. Book, here is no A, E, I, O, U. So, we will write a book, and it has started with a. So, we will write an. Apple, we have done already, it is a. Rock, it is not A, E, I, O, U, it is a consonant R, we will write a. Oval, same thing, it is a vowel O, we will write here. And here egg, it has started with E, means vowels, we will write here an. Flag, with consonant sound, it has started, so we will write a. In has started with I, so we will put here an. Chair, with consonant sound or consonant letter, so we will put here A. Organ has started with vowel letters, means A, E, I, O, U. Here it has started with O. We will put here an ox. Here it will be an elf, same thing, and sweet. It has started with consonant letter S. So, it will be A. Hat has started with consonant, means with H. So, it will be A. M with I, means with vowel letter, then we will put an shoe, we will put here A. Okay. C number exercise, write A or an to finish the sentences. So, same thing we will do. It means I am telling again, if we find that a word has started with A, E, I, O, U, means a word has started with vowel, then we will add an before the word, and if we find the word has started without vowels, then we will put A. Let us start. Pauline ate apple. So, dash apple, it will be an apple, and dash banana, B with B, not A, E, I, O, U. So, it will be A banana. I will give you an invitation, because this word has started with I, tomorrow. We come to dash lake with dash island in the middle. So, this lake has started with consonant letter. So, it will be A, and with dash island it has started with I. So, we will write here an island in the middle. Next, we are finding Lucy is spending dash holiday with dash aunt in London. So, this here H, the word has started with H, not A, E, I, O, U. So, we need to put A with dash aunt in London. Here we have to put an aunt, because aunt has started with A, means with vowel. Dash east wind is colder than dash west wind. Here we will put an, because this word has started with vowel, means E, and is colder than west, it has started with consonant letter, means W, not A, E, I, O, U. So, we need to put A west wind. So, today up to this, I think you have understood today's topic so easily. This is vowels. Next time I will come with page number 4. The topic is verbs adding ed and ing. Bye for today.